Hi, this is Robert with My Handy Home Tech. Today we're going to be looking at the Skyworth portable TV. I told you guys about this one at a trade show over there, so I promised you guys I'd do a little video and talk about it. This is 24-inch portable display TV. It's got batteries. They told me it's about a 3-hour life in that thing. It's got Google Play in it, Chromecast built in. Let's open it up and take a look at it and see what this thing looks like in there, huh? All right, let's see what we got in here. Okay, so what we got? Instruction manuals. Here's our TV. I already like the colors of this thing. Alright, so there is our 24-inch Skyview portable television. In the box, we've got a power cord, got a remote control, got a power adapter, plug-in batteries. Okay, so this is our TV. This is what it looks like from the front. I like these colors on it. Speakers down there. It's got a little stand it sits on. There's a back. On the back, you got a handle that you can carry it with. There is a carrying case that comes with it. So that's we're going to power this thing up. We're going to take a look at it, and we'll see what it looks like. Power supply out. We got it plugged in. Let's see what we've got here. So this is where it plugs in. This will charge it up. Once it's fully charged, you can take it out and take the battery anywhere. We've got a LAN connection here if we need to. Got an audio-visual connection here, optical output, HDMI, and a USB port on there. So again, this thing is portable. The case is extra on it, but there is a carrying case that you can purchase extra with this. So let's turn it on and take a look and see what we got here. Little remote control. Nice. Okay, so again, this is the Skyview 24-inch portable TV. If you'd like to get one of these, message me and I will get you taken care of. Thanks for watching. Robert with My Handy Home Tech.